Welcome to English Spoken Class with Schooling with NA.
Let's introduce with new friends. Hello, hi, how are you? Good. And you? I am also fine. Where are you from? I am from Dhaka. You? I live here with my family. This is my birthplace. Are you new here? My father transferred from Dhaka to Chattogram last week. My full family shifted here. Wow, it's nice and nice to meet you. Can I play here with you? Yep, you are my new friend. We play here after come back from school and weekend. You come here when you will play. I feel very happy getting a lot of friends like you. It's really nice to meet you. Bye. See you tomorrow. Bye. Hey, don't leave. Wait for new friends. Good morning, friends. Good morning. Who are you? I am your new friend. I admitted in this class yesterday. Oh, what's your name? I am Rafan. What's your name? My name is Farhan. Will you be friend of mine? Of course. I feel great to make you be my friend. Thanks a lot. I also feel nice to make you be my friend. You can sit beside me and I will introduce with my friend. Thank you very much, my friend. You are most welcome. Wait, let's introduce to another new friend. Sit here, please? Yes, why not? Thanks. I am Rakib, and you? I am Adit. Where are you going? I am going to Rajshahi. I am also going to Rajshahi. Why are you going there? I am going to my uncle's house in my vacation. Why are you going there? This is my hometown. There my family living. I'm going to meet with them. Welcome to my hometown. Thanks, my dear friend. Here is my address. You will must come to my house. Of course, dear. So you notice your bag and cat's color are similar, but they are opposite color. Yeah, your trolley and my cap colors are red. And my cap and your trolley's color are blue. Ha ha ha. Amazing. Ha ha ha, what a matching it is. Let's go. Our train has arrived in the station. Let's go.
Bye. Thanks for watching.